So many of you might be aware of the collision that occurred between the Florence Spirit and the Alanis on the 11th of July in 2020. But today we are going to be taking an in-depth look at what actually happened. The Alanis was heading upbound towards Duluth with wind turbine parts, and the Florence Spirit was heading downbound towards Quebec with coal. The two ships collided at 3:55 p.m. on July 11th. No pollution was reported, and no one was injured. The collision also caused a slight disruption for traffic in the canal. Videos of the collision have also gone viral on the internet. The collision was considered rare because the ships were generally shorter. The Alanis measured 453 feet, and the Florence Spirit measures 447 feet. The ships were also going slow. Out of the two ships, the Florence Spirit received the most damage, and after the collision, rode low in the water. After the collision, the Florence Spirit headed to Wharf 10 under its own power. The Alanis also continued on its own power to Wharf 12 for repairs. Alex Stewart, one of the few bystanders that was able to take a recording of the collision happen, said that it was his first time watching ships pass on the Welland Canal. He said that the collision was loud enough for him to feel it inside his chest. He said, quote, "It was quite the experience for sure." Some of the recordings show that perhaps the Florence Spirit turned to port and moved in front of the Alanis. Thus, it would be the Florence Spirit's fault for the collision. This would likely occur from a maneuveral fail. Although inquiries were given to either company, neither of them responded to any of them. The location of the collision was also a weird place for any collision to happen, as it was a wide section in the Welland Canal. Also, visibility was fine, and there was really no reason for any collision to occur. This is why I think the Florence Spirit was responsible for the collision. Here are the supporting facts. As I mentioned earlier, the Florence Spirit seemed to turn port side at the last second, thus causing the collision. The Florence Spirit was also not very far to the other side of the canal when the Alanis was, which means that the Florence Spirit wasn't where it should have been. Although there has been investigations as to what really happened, no information has been released to this day. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.